Can we have Ali Hongo as well come up?
Hi, I'm Ali Hongo from Shiitake Creative. First of all, I'd like to say it's really great to be back at TUJ. I graduated TUJ a couple of years ago. Not going to say how many, but this is an amazing campus. You guys have a really great time here. I was in Azabu and it was completely different. It's a really great place and it's great to be back. I'd like to talk a little bit about the why part of what we do, because that's kind of the start of my story. I started my career here in Japan as a full-time staff writer at one of the largest English language media in Japan around 2015, just about the time when Japan was really kicking and pushing the inbound tourism promotion. And they were setting the targets really high to welcome as many foreigners as possible. And they were, announcing all these figures about how many more international travelers we need to attract. And so I started as a news writer, and suddenly my job changed from writing about celebrity scandals and horrible crimes to describing about, how amazing Japan's 47 prefectures are and where we should travel. Day after day, we were sitting behind our desks and we were writing about, let me quote, the 10 almost secret Japan hidden gems you've never heard of. You know them all. Tokyo's hottest Instagram-worthy cafes. Okay. And all the possible verbal variations of eat, pray, and love in Japan we could think of. And oh my God, these are the most horrible titles. If anyone is a writer in this room, please never use them. They've been used and abused. But we didn't know any better. And so we had a lot of clients who were paying our company to promote their destinations. We're saying, hey, we need to attract more foreigners to Mie Prefecture or Kochi Prefecture, or we want you to write an article about it. And so we were doing that. But then they would come to us and say, we're targeting, we want more Australians to come. And Australians, they love to drink, right? So we should really focus on Japanese sake. The other one, oh, my favorite. Chinese people love red, so we should really design this in red. And all these, you're guessing what I'm trying to say. The way that Japan was really promoting itself at the time was just full of stereotypes. It was built on wrong assumptions about how. So we were all very uncomfortable with that. We were being paid to write about that, but we didn't like it. And our readers didn't like it either. They could see that and they would say, okay, well, this place really looks amazing, but I'm traveling with a kid. Is this place kid friendly? Or I'm in a wheelchair. Is it accessible? Or is this LGBTQ friendly? Can I be who I am when I go there? Am I going to face discrimination? We were hearing all these things from our readers, and we were very uncomfortable about that. So this leads me to establishing our company, because we didn't want to go to try to establish a different standard of how Japan should promote itself overseas. And what we wanted to establish is that it really doesn't matter the nationality. What you have to do is brush up your own product, make it universal, appealing to more and more people by understanding their needs and by welcoming them for who they are and adapting to how they travel. And then people will come to your destination. So it's not really the other way around. So that's what we started, and that's what we do right now.